Hello, dear students and parents. I am Mahib Jagdish here, and I am associated with MS Tutors. About myself, yes, I am a commerce graduate and I have done a diploma in business administration. I am also into counseling students and into career guidance as well. I have been teaching children and students for the past 18 years. I do teach across all the boards, ICSC, CBSC, IGCSE and IB as well. And my major subjects that I teach are maths and economics. I teach from grade 1 to grade 8 as well. I also take up commerce subjects for college students. We at MS Tutors, we offer online tuitions and classes and best of the services. So to contact and get in touch, please get through the numbers given below. Thank you so much.